In today's fast-paced world, the allure of making money online with minimal effort has captured the attention of many. The common desire for easy income stems from the need for financial freedom and the flexibility to work on one's own terms. People are increasingly seeking ways to escape the traditional 9-to-5 grind, yearning for opportunities that allow them to earn while enjoying their lives. This quest for effortless income is not just a fleeting trend. It reflects a fundamental shift in how we view work and financial success. Enter our speaker, a seasoned millionaire businessman who has navigated the complexities of the online money-making landscape. With years of experience and a proven track record of success, he embodies the very principles of entrepreneurship that many aspire to achieve. His journey from humble beginnings to financial independence serves as an inspiration for those looking to break free from conventional employment. As someone who has mastered the art of generating income with minimal effort, he is uniquely positioned to guide others on this path. Freelancing has emerged as a popular way to earn money online, offering individuals the flexibility to work on their own terms while leveraging their skills. Among the most sought-after freelancing skills are video editing and graphic design, both of which are in high demand as businesses and content creators seek to enhance their visual presence. Other popular skills include writing, web development, social media management, and digital marketing. These diverse options allow freelancers to choose a niche that aligns with their expertise and interests, making it easier to find fulfilling work. Airbnb Arbitrage has become a popular strategy for generating passive income, allowing individuals to capitalize on the booming short-term rental market without the need to own properties outright. The process begins with renting a property, typically a residential unit, under a standard lease agreement. Once the lease is secured, the individual can then sublet the property on Airbnb, listing it for short-term stays. This approach enables the arbitrageur to earn rental income from guests while paying a lower monthly rent to the landlord, creating a profit margin. Selling products through an eBay shop has become an increasingly popular way to generate income online, offering a straightforward entry point for aspiring entrepreneurs. The first step in this process is sourcing products to sell. This can be done through various methods such as purchasing items at wholesale prices, finding unique products at thrift stores or garage sales, or even dropshipping from suppliers. Once you have identified your products, setting up an eBay account is relatively simple. You'll need to create a seller account, provide necessary information, and list your items with appealing descriptions and high-quality images to attract potential buyers. Affiliate marketing has emerged as a popular low-effort income method, allowing individuals to earn money by promoting products or services from various companies. The process begins with signing up for affiliate programs, such as Amazon Associates, which is one of the largest and most accessible affiliate networks available. To get started, you simply need to create an account, provide some basic information about yourself and your promotional methods, and once approved, you can begin selecting products to promote. Each product comes with a unique affiliate link that tracks any sales generated through your referrals, ensuring you receive a commission for each successful transaction. The AI Shopify Store presents an exciting and beginner-friendly e-commerce option for aspiring entrepreneurs looking to dive into the world of online retail. Setting up an AI-built Shopify store is a straightforward process that allows individuals with little to no technical expertise to create a professional-looking online shop. To get started, you simply sign up for a Shopify account, choose a customizable template, and utilize AI tools that assist in product selection, website design, and content creation. These AI-driven features streamline the setup process, enabling users to launch their stores quickly and efficiently. In this video, we explored 5 distinct methods for generating income online, each varying in their levels of effort and engagement. First, we discussed freelancing, which allows individuals to leverage their skills in areas like graphic design and video editing. While it offers flexibility, it does require active participation and client interactions. Next, we delved into Airbnb Arbitrage, a strategy that involves renting properties and subletting them on platforms like Airbnb. This method can generate passive income but requires initial setup and landlord permissions. We then examined selling products through an eBay shop, which involves sourcing items and managing customer service, presenting both fulfillment challenges and opportunities for growth. Following that, we introduced affiliate marketing, a low-effort income method where you promote products and earn commissions, emphasizing its scalability through organic content. Finally, we highlighted the AI Shopify Store as a beginner-friendly e-commerce option, showcasing its automated inventory management and low startup costs. As we wrap up, we encourage you to reflect on these methods and consider which aligns best with your goals and lifestyle. Each approach offers unique advantages and varying levels of laziness, allowing you to choose the one that suits your preferences for effort and engagement. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share it with friends or family who might also be interested in exploring these income-generating methods. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Additionally, we invite you to explore our related content for further learning. We have in-depth videos and resources that dive deeper into each of these methods, providing you with the tools and knowledge needed to succeed in your online income journey. Engaging with our community not only enhances your understanding, but also connects you with others who share similar interests. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.